Hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel. This video is about upgrading an old Lenovo ThinkCentre in the good something like 40-50 euros rig, for example for light gaming, Minecraft, and then some internet browsing, etc. whatever you're going to do. First, we are now going to remove the old hard disk drive and replacing it with 480 gigabytes SSD. That SSD will make Windows much faster. Nothing. Screwdriver just slipper, but that hard disk is much slower than that SSD. That SSD will provide a good boost on the speed of operating system, and this 480 gigabytes drive. This is A400. I have used this before, so this is not new, clearly not. So the cable blocked, power cable. Now we will plug the data cable. No, it's this hard disk is not having spinning parts, so this can be just sitting in case. But if you have a hard disk, you should always screw it into holes, or it will break and get really. I don't recommend running hard disks freely in case. We have now 8 gigabytes of DDR3, 8 gigabytes of DDR3, 2 4 gigabyte sticks. Those are Gale Leggeras CL11 PC3 17000. Probably overkill for this build when compared to 8, but nowadays these are so cheap that you can get that what DDR3 mover. It has had big glasses as heights and for very cheap, and you can get some 8 gigabyte sticks also for very cheap. We can change thermal paste. Let's remove the CPU cooler and then we will put new thermal paste. 4 screws are that what these OEM coolers have. I had wiped thermal paste on his CPA already. Taking new Arctic MX for 80 grams. We have so this is that we have Arctic MX for 8 grams. It's plenty of this build. I know we opened it from wrong side. We should take this side instead. And yeah, if you're wondering why my English sounds like this, I'm Finnish, so this isn't English isn't my native language, so this kind of something that's what's called rally-enku. Whatever it is. So, holding phone and picturing, and this is annoying. We're holding phone and then trying to use only one hand to remove this cardboard over the thermal paste tube. Now we got that thermal paste out. We will put a dot onto the center of CPA. And now we will close the thermal paste tube, and we will put the cooler back onto the CPA. Thermal paste will spread itself, especially this Arctic Amax 4 feels that it will spread very easily even. Sometimes if you screw these screws fully from one side, then next opposite side will be a bit harder because it has some pressure to go up from there. But now we can just now we will install some NVIDIA GT 1030 gigabit. I have removed bracket because I don't have low profile version of this card. This is working, probably still working without that. Then we got then close this case. And we can now install, except I had already Windows on this hard disk, so we don't need to install that. We can just stop this video into here, and we can end the video now because I have done everything now. Next video will be about the performance of this system. So see you later.